2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Extended Cab Pickup 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 8-sill, 4WD power steering, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, body side moldings, side airbag system, multi-function steering wheel, airbag deactivation, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, RSC roll stability control, traction control system, auto express down window, dual airbags, cruise control, bucket seats, chrome bumper S, auto headlight delay, daytime running lights, folding rear seats, adjustable lumbar seat S, heated outside mirror S, power mirrors, color-coded mirrors, reading light S, power outlet S, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, tinted or privacy,